In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat ultra-wide camera option not showing problem. If the ultra-wide camera option isn't showing on Snapchat in 2025, it usually isn't a Snapchat bug. It's typically related to device compatibility, camera permissions, or app settings. Snapchat relies on your phone's hardware, so only devices with an ultra-wide lens can use the 0.5x zoom feature. First, check if your phone actually has an ultra-wide lens. Open the stock camera app in here and see if there's a 0.5x option or ultra-wide mode. If it's missing there, Snapchat won't be able to display it either. Next, make sure Snapchat has camera permissions. On Android, go to Settings. Now, go ahead, scroll and click on Apps Management. Go ahead and press on App Settings. In here, look for Snapchat. Now, press on Permissions. Click on Camera and ensure it's allowed. On iOS, go to Settings, Snapchat, Camera and enable it. If permissions are restricted, Snapchat may default to the main lens only. Updating the Snapchat app is crucial. Older versions sometimes fail to recognize additional lenses. Visit the App Store or Play Store in here and install the latest update. After updating, restart the app. If it still doesn't appear, try clearing the cache. Still in here in Settings, click on Settings and Cache. Now, click on Clear Cache. On iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall to refresh camera detection. Finally, keep in mind that some devices, even with multiple lenses, don't expose the ultra-wide option to Snapchat due to compatibility limitations set by the phone manufacturer. If none of the above works, using the stock camera to take ultra-wide shots and uploading them to Snapchat is the practical workaround. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.